Welcome to Chris's Cooking. Today we're going to debone a whole chicken. Now there's many different applications to do this. You get with the rising prices in the economy today of meat and everything, pretty much everything, being able to use larger cuts of meat and butcher them yourself will save you money in the long run. So I'm going to grab a chicken. Alright, so I've got the whole chicken. I'm just going to transfer it to the cutting board. Now it's very important that you use a sharp knife. I have a deboning knife. If you don't have one, that's fine. And we're just going to slice down. As you can see right here, that is where the breastbone is. We're just going to slice down, nice and clean cut. All right, and we're going to gently move the meat off of the bone. And as we do, try to scrape as close as you can. You don't want to waste any of that meat, right? So you want to scrape it as close as you can to the rib cage as you work your way down on one side. Okay. Now you got one side off. We're going to find that breastbone on the other side. And we're going to come right down again on this side, pulling the meat away from the bone. All right, so today I'm leaving the skin on because I'm going to use this for something. I'm going to use this to make a stuffed chicken. But I mean, certainly if you're just detaching the breast and you wanted the breast and the legs separate, you can certainly do that. All right, but my main goal here is to keep the skin and everything intact to make a stuffed chicken. Okay, so once we got got it opened up, we're gonna put it back over. We're gonna detach the wings completely. All right, I'm not using the wings today. You know, if you're doing a couple of chickens maybe for your whole week, you can certainly save these and chicken wings. All right, so I'm just gonna put those aside for now. You want to come through here, around the shoulder, underneath, and it goes nice and smoothly through, right? You can leave the wingtips on for now, and when you're ready to cook those up, you can remove them if you don't like them, right? So we'll get the chicken back over. So we got the wings removed. We're going to continue down to the legs. So first what we're going to do is we're going to get the legs detached from the bones. So once you got it down to, you see that just popped out nice and easy, didn't it? You just pop the leg right out. Now, the thing is, with chickens, on the back side, I'm going to show you here, on the back side, all around here, there's meat. So you don't want to like come through here because you're going to lose all of that meat, right? So what you want to do is make a nice incision, and as you go through the bone, flip it over. I like to come like this, get it nice and close. All right. So that's one side. Leg still has bones in it. Just gonna put that off to the side for now. We're gonna get the other side done. Now, you can use the bones. You can make a soup. Certainly boil them down. Right? Make a stock to make a nice sauce. Right? Don't throw that stuff away. It's you paid for it. Use it. We're going to come back around here. Again, remember there's all that meat in here. All right. So there we have the main part of the carcass is now removed. this over here. And then I'll show you how to do the legs. So coming back with the one side of the chicken. So if you're doing, you know, if you're you wanted the breast and the chicken leg separate, you're doing two different meals, you could just cut down through that skin, remove the skin altogether. But like I said, I want to keep this. So I'm going to come through here, and you can see the bone will come down this way, right? So you want to just follow that with your knife. Gently get down to the bone. Once you've got down to the bone, a gentle scraping motion, right? There. Now come back through here, do the other side. Scraping along the bone. Once you got it off, you can use the bone and use gravity to your favor. Sort of lift it up. Almost there. Again, you can save these bones, add them with the other bones that you have for your soup, for your stock. When we get down to the bottom here, I'm just going to cut and pull. And that's done. So there's one half of the chicken. Same thing for this side. Follow the bone, right? It's really important to use a sharp knife for this. And like I said, I found a deboning knife, something that's thin, to help out. Use gravity, work around. Much of that meat off the bone as you can. There we go. If you miss a piece, just trim it off, especially if you're, going to chop that up later. Just going to have that back there. There we go. There we go. We have two half chickens with no bones in them, ready to go.